Here he comes. What are you doing? Why do you do that? Oh, you're making a mess. More.